Say more. Say, what you doing? say happy anniversary, Mama G and Pop. What you doing? Say, I can't wait to hug your neck. Say hi. Say happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Good thing Mom and Dad had flushed.
Good job. Now it's time to wash your hands. What do you think? Well, now he's going to his next favorite watering hole. The shower. Yeah? The disadvantage of having a shower without a door is he loves to play in the shower. Dylan. Where are you going? Yeah? Yeah? Tell Mama T and Grandpa happy anniversary. You get to see him stand up. Hey. Hey. Dylan. Look here. Dylan. Hey. Bugaboo. What's that? Hi. Yeah. What's that? What's that? Bunk. Look here. Look here. Come on. There we go. Say, I can't wait to see you. Say, I can't wait to see you. Goodness. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Can you say bye, bye? Okay, everything goes in the mouth. Bye, bye. Bye, bye.